Benefits of doorbell camera.
Okay.
I don't only go to one.
Alright.
Fuck.
Well, listen, man. Like, we want to make sure you're all right. You're out here walking around.
I know.
We're a little concerned about you, man.
I know. But it's a fucking. Just got out of prison. Got a fucking house and car and shit. Fucking.
Yeah.
I lost my shit. Fucking.
Yeah. You just got out of prison today, man.
No. Like, I'm on parole. I just got out like a couple weeks ago.
Alright.
Fucking,
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You haven't done your chest,
Yeah,
okay?
because I've been freaking the fuck out. I've been freaking shot for us.
Alright.
So you guys can do
All right. Well, we're here. We're not gonna let anyone shoot you.
I need to get a hold of
Listen, man. Would you like the hospital to check you out? I know that you're breathing, but sometimes there can be like panic attacks. It'd be good for EMS to check you out. You want that to happen?
It's weird. I need to get hold of people. I ain't fucking seen them all day. Fucking it really is what I think it is. And
Okay.
I don't want something bad.
Well, listen, man. We're worried about. Hey. We're worried about you. Is it all right if we have EMS come out and check you out, or do you want to go take a ride with us down to the hospital?
Oh man. I was hoping to just
You're hoping what?
smoke a fucking cigarette. I actually can't.
I
can't.
think I might leave a cigarette.
Oh my god, please.
It might not be the best, but it will help you feel better.
Yeah.
Yeah, it would. Please.
Hey, man, do you want to?
Fireworks.
Fireworks.
Those are fire. Are you okay?
Because you're so amped up on worried about your heart, man. So she's gonna grab you a cigarette.
Bro, I'm not a scared person. I will fight anybody, but I don't understand what the fuck I did to anybody.
All right.
Like, for me, I don't know what money knows me.
What's your name, my man? What's your name, my man? Hey. Why don't you take a seat? You want to sit on that curb right there? That way you can calm your body down because you got this adrenaline dump that's going on. You want to sit down right over there at the curb? Hey. I'm not gonna let anything happen to you.
I don't know if that means anything to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right.
Please don't let it fucking.
All right. What's your name, man? What's your name? What's your name?
My name's Ryan.
Ryan? What's your last name, Ryan?
27.
What's your last name, Ryan?
I'm sorry.
No, you're okay.
I've had like 8 people tell me that.
27 and any other. 23, 23, 22nd
Well,
Street,
we're here.
010. It's been waiting a
We're trying
while.
to